In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach the Rockin H 42-foot trailer. First thing to do will be to remove the rollover tarp frame. Once the pins on the inside are removed, it can be set to the side. Remove the pins from the rollover tarp frame. Once the rollover tarp frame is removed, if it is warped at all, it can be set on a flat surface like this table and warmed up with a hairdryer on low until the plastic is softened, and then it can be straightened out. Hold the parts in place until they're cool and it'll keep its shape. To prepare the trailer for paint, take lacquer thinner or acetone on a rag and just wipe down the sides and all the surfaces. This will not affect the plastic as we're not using very much and it evaporates off. The goal here is to remove fingerprints, any impurities left over from the printing process. Now the trailer is ready for prime and paint with primer and paint of your choice. To continue assembly, once your paint is dry, the rollover tarp frame can be applied by simply placing it on the trailer and gluing it in place. Dry fit to make sure that everything fits snug, and if there's any warpage that can be worked out before we glue it down. Apply the rollover tarp frame, pressing it down to make sure it sets level, and if needed, add a little weight to it to make sure it's secure on the frame. When the glue on the rollover tarp frame is dry, you can add the wheels. The kits are offered with a choice of 2-hole buds and chrome rims. I'm using 2-hole buds for this build. Now your trailer is assembled. Details of choice can be added. You can use a red paint pen or even a Sharpie to add the lights on the back. Little tip, a new Sharpie with a sharp point works much better for this process. A silver Sharpie can be used to highlight the step. And the ladder as well. A Molotow chrome pen can also be used to highlight these two pieces. A black Sharpie can be used to highlight the mud flaps, or a paint pen can also be used.